adwuma wura kwasitum de ahyɛ yensa se ya maye ni fie ha yi sabi me kwakwata me gyan sa me kase me suro nipa bi ana me boa sabi adwuma ya de nipa ho suro ne de aya enka meduru ha se ya de nipa ho suro ana ya de hye nsam tra adwuma ya se a enka konya enka mente so enti se ya bai sani asam ne tie no saa ne ebeka no ana me nyo bia obetimi ni sika dada me empare me so otimi ni sika dada obi a me sija me gira hei utimi fa sika dada me abai ni de adwuma hodo hye nipa binom nsa abai de adwuma hodo hye nipa binom ensa na wama ye no troka ya de adwuma ne be sawo sa wa adwuma ne ya ma obi a wo besu ya de ma wo so a na wa ye no troka bisi basa esanse ye nya wo hwe sana o mai mu de tie ye nya wo hwe wo fa ne free Accra Metropolitan Assembly AMA anapaya ho ena me camera ye si manimi I say mechimu de ato Auditor General's report 31st March 2019 signed by the Auditor General himself ena na pemidi ye adwuma Section 10 of the Local Government Act 1993 Act 462 assembly bia mensini bia me ka ho mensini bia so mensini timi ya hyehyɛ na titiri hyehyɛ no titiri ani hyehyɛ a ɛfa kwan a yan waste and apparently me come waste that timase is ansade anchen yan waste ya be kura no fie bia ni nkra hanom a sabi nipa udidi a aduane no kwata wo yam aduane ne ntena ho ese unya ba bi na ya den wo discharge wo yigu na wo de gu sa bia ho so a eye obi asade se wo baba twe na ye tua ho sika na odi kogu baabi enti se ye ba betwe ye waste no na ya ji ho sika contraja ye de bema ene nia ewo mu nyina no eye mansini no asede over the years ya yen hwe and I'm going to give you some statistics and I pay. And yadi de cholera, dysentery, and any yadi is a typhoid, queen or maim. And yadi queen, any civilized world, they have ways. Nima omudia gua so. Ghana, one house, one toilet. One house, one toilet. Sabi. And you be no what? A janai woni fie. A janai bia. E woni fie. And no another conversation for another time. But a car, a banyi bon. Edi kutia cholera. A kabebre. Greater Accra Health Directorate. Reporter what by 2011. Acha say Accra Metropolis hayunkwa. Cases of cholera recorded in 2011 alone. Accra Metropolis hayunkwa. 539 cases. 539 cases of cholera. Nipa nkono ehwere wo nkwa. We ye ne ebe report yo. Nya ya fa nkwa yaresabia nso so wo ho. 539 cases of cholera. Nipa nkono efa mu hwere wo nkwa. That was in 2011. 2012. Now a double, a quadruple from 539 to 2,079 cases. 2,000 cholera and Krahankwao. Get Accra Metropolis Hankwa 2,079. Na nipa watche afemashiro wamonkwa wamayim in this day and age. Nipa watche afemashiro wamonkwa. Now check out 2014. 2014, the recorded cases of cholera outbreak in the Greater Accra Metropolis. 10,127 cases. 10,000. And in the whole Ghana, 7 American. And Krahankwa. 10,127 cases recorded. Now, emu 73 ashiru wamunkwa. Enipa eduoso miensa ashiru wamunkwa. Masada na mede command free baby ya medeba. Se be ya obeti ase yi. Reporter David Stein et al. 2014 one mede betu dwa. Reporter one mede betu dwa. A car abine bo on cholera cases. A car abino abo. So unimwa so be obinya cholera abine na fahoka abino say unhubeto abine na fahoka. A car abine bo 2014 nipa ba kubia 140 Ghana cedis 80 pesos. Nipa ba kubia 140 Ghana cedis 80 pesos. From consultation to say ubenya nro a car buying the bow nipa ba kubia hono no 80 multiply 140 Ghana cedis times 10,127, and we are looking at 1,425,881 cedis and 60 pesos. A car buying the boy in treating cholera cases 2014 alone. Greater Accra Metropolis. Ahinkwa. Let me be sasa identity. Aso enyo obi adwuma. Aso enyo obi adwuma. Say cleanliness ahunidie. Abakoso. Sabi, yawo mansini yawo assembly wo ho. Na assembly no department. Na department bi anya na dwuma yi a. Na yekwaya na se bai. Yekwaya na se bai. Report no kura manim ha. Na yabakom. Kwanya ya faso sabi yan waste ajanan sane ya kura no ehifa ane yedi koguo sika free mu ba hwan botom na ekọ. How are these monies accounted for? Why na bu hon konta? Now this is the executive summary of the Auditor General's report, and I'll get the heading and then we'll go to the executive summary. It's a performance audit report of the Auditor General, Management of Human Effluent by the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, signed 31st of March 2019. Executive summary. The poor management of human effluent by the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, AMA, contributed to outbreak of diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and dysentery in the metropolis. Report Nasema Ekeni. It is estimated that about 140,000 metric tons of human effluent is generated in the metropolis daily. Dabia and Kraha. 140,000 metric tons of human waste and your generating. A woman and Kraha. It is further estimated that on daily basis, about 1,500 metric tons of human effluent is directly disposed into the sea. Out of 140,000, no, 1,500 metric tons there. Yachia a punum near the Kogu. Udu Lavender Hill, Kolegono. Now, question Yakoso and Anapay say, Ukoho, traffic achie, where Shiegu, no Bessing, now where Shiegu, no Bessing, now where Shiegu, no Bessing. Now Kopunim. Cholera outbreaks are an annual occurrence in the metropolis, especially during the rainy season. This is because the rainwater carries the effluent disposed into open spaces, into homes and marketplaces, which often contaminated the food we eat. Yensu ayanum. Indiani ayedie. Obi ohon munsu onya hu sensu otope na obose sanse braswa waba benya baabi na nsuo no a ensu nsan no a etwam no wahwiagum na ne nam ye fiafiem ene nam ye dwaso bia ye ton nyane a yedie no na nsuo ni nam ho na ede yare brain yare hodo na report ya boboso yi cholera, typhoid, dysentery na nkofu owu na mandata Constitution Idiama, the Waste Management Department of the Assembly, no matter, sleeping on their jobs. And we waste taxpayers' money paying such people. We waste taxpayers' money paying such people who are sleeping on their jobs. And we call ourselves a serious country. God have mercy. We are not a serious country. We are not. If we can't put some of these people on their toes, we are not a serious country. Rather, meba, what I say? The Greater Accra Health Directorate reported that in 2011, the metropolis recorded 539 cases of cholera, with 9 deaths, 2,079 cases with 8 deaths, which were recorded in 2012, and 10,127 cases with 73 deaths were recorded in 2014. And of course, there were maybe 2 anymore. A car buying one bo. Yes, I see a coin and you pay schools, and you hear way in Kania. Over 1 million Ghana cedis 2014 alone are buying the cholera. Sal canonim na kebet mi diaye. Kebi a school dan no a ebuaguo e wa class ho no, ebetimi da beso ano. Ebetimi da beso ano. Now these are the details. AMA, like any other state institution, is supposed to procure the activities of contractors in accordance with the Public Procurement Act 2003, Act 663, Section 321 of the Environmental Sanitation Policy 2012 states that provision and management of cesspit MTS is subject to licensing by the Assembly. Is subject to licensing by the Assembly. This is to enable the Assembly monitor the contractors and enforce compliance to promote healthy environment and public health. contract ya yadima suspect MTS ndwumakuo cars ya twe ya west ani ade yi ya contract sesen kano no mekura timi ahwe mrem the Public Procurement Act. Report teacher say bibia sa ankoso ewo AMA as if they don't know. As woman nim. And you sure anim na wani mu afa na yama contract. Hwe contract em. Ya sure anim na o ya tenten kakra na ya pega contract na de amount. There was no due diligence. Just say contract they never followed the PPA. This is the Auditor General's report. We found from our interviews with the head of the Waste Management Department that in procuring contractors, the Assembly did not adhere to the provisions in the Procurement Act, but engaged the contractors through the open market system. Who does that? In which country? In which civilized country does this happen? Wamu yusu open market any other per contractor. How do you respond to this? Where we are not saying Misro, adwumani ya beye si ahase ayeye no eno ane yeye ane yade koya nim saa Misra bisa Accra Mayor Honorable Nia Jesoa anapa michiao. If you have seen this report, we are watching to see the actions that are going to be taken. Of course, there's been recommendations. Yeah, chayehu nyashani abako wie. Our review of the liquid waste file and our interview with the head of the Waste Management Department and liquid waste manager disclosed that though the Assembly issued licenses to contractors, they did not ensure that the latter complied with the licensing requirements. They did not ensure. Sa license ewu abraba na ba renew ni nyina no yade mawa eno ano no ye nie kire nhwe and get the proper checks to make sure that these licenses are being issued out to people who mean business. Of course, if the Waste Management Department doesn't mean business, how can me all the licenses ne ma me no ma da suba bi a kire say many abresa mbe ya adwuma so moman. Nana Osai Boateng a chairman Achimota Liquid Waste Association or Humano so many batching como Nana do my fam sunye Memakwaba
Major Sonia.
So I wonder what dear
Yamian Mobo.
And you may wait for how long?
Mr. T since 96.
What's that is since 1996?
Jim FM.
And now experience, Nana. You are the right person to talk to on this issue. Processes and amontuo ansana what me kra de ho agim say wo kwa kwotwe say bia kwa kwhwe how you were even given a license and the registration akwanya ufa so ansana yema wo license Nana me wobre.
Okay, first that the TN say Wokoto car no ba would call AMA no mama lances I would in the car no aye juma. So when your lances in the won't fa car no enye juma. To more lances ni we are some code number we I will be used, and I guess I'm pa. I'm going to code number no. I'm on my lances and I would declare a year juma. But you see, idea, because I didn't know who be in party. Nameboa. It's all got our car now. What the bar, no answer to a car heading a year juma. Me for more lances be lances be and would be pregnant here.
Maybe Nana, the see idea, Okoto Kanwa, now do Tiashum, will be on more lances be a
Debbie, Okotoka na, the young Okola and Soka. I would be really Okola and Soka and Via, and also do a car heading a year juma.
What's your number? Go now, the num will be from
now do a year juma. By a first media, when you find there would kind of be a juma, about AMA from our lances, and they wouldn't me for a year juma. Sanity.
And the first, the registration process, not to saying,
oh, I know quite much a Kawakano. Send a car now, who are doing BBS, some proven do on one year, is a question for to know about. And some balance the car heading at the amount. As I was in the car, a year juma. So, who proven do a car and hope I Debbie. Amolan Zima, more particular Adiano, and son of back. Over back, and among them, Pakwaye. And almost the last in the mouth. Yes, idea. I'm off amount.
Now, first,
so they can't be a juma, a crew.
First, license near the Mawa. No. And so a brand Uber renew. Now, and son of the Atwaso Juma. Nana,
almost the last in the Mawa for the starting every year be a more renew. Every year be a more renew amount.
Juma fan.
Every year be a more renew amount. No one renew crana, ultimate facano, ultimate reload no gra. Sanity.
Sana cannon wete.
Sanity canonity.
And to dear Pana na assassin. Nana.
Yes, a more. What is the another dear? Never be an assassin. In Jamaica, situation for no, Yafasa, you dim Hujuma. The first, when I would do canam, not toast so, not a mean if you go huma, with him much. Because once on Mamma's silences, no, maybe sure says any money in a year Juma. But you see, Anna dear, you know, the money will be assassin. To say, yeah, association for no, like for any money now to your home so you dim Hujuma. If you hear me for the call system, no dear.
Okay, Yanka Sikasam Kakra. And nay, okay, Yanka the first, no. Na what Quatria Sikasa na Obejie, na Media, a woman ya saying, what the quadru baby, I'll call Shagunuswa, ticket to home, did this on Timau. No, one Timau, na Sassicano, why Nagie, na baby, I call the mean to me Bissau, but not to say Caneno.
Okay, first, maybe first pass, and AMA for my price. First palm, no my prices now, you be used. But you see, idea, the idea price I think. Abba. Do all Korean fancy beer, a depending by beer and the price are edgy. Kaka on the price are ebg, Kaka on the price are edgy. And I could fear Gusua, Casino price are omoji, Nakatuano price are omoji. Sanity.
And that's a prices, no, as no Biaje, send okay.
As no Biaje,
okay. Now, Mukote Pia, maybe I will go here, Guno. Mudru Honswa, Yajamo saying.
And no car Cassiano, Omega 20 Ghana, no small car, no, Omega 15 cities.
And that's some now, okay.
Car Cassiano 20 cities, no small one in 15 cities. Saskan Omojo.
Saskan, one edge.
Okay, for now,
a assembly no na say will be personal Sunny bookman from Jedna station. I'm ticket at the same.
That side need that side need be a very problem because I quite say like politics. To that side need be a very damn I'm saying like be a AMA for energy and I say be a in the person see energy.
Oh, but what's me politics in Elfrin? I am common a yedi. Ebia, na Sikan way energy, and so way energy, or my way to be. Where the essay, where to the essay, and I will to the essay.
Nana didn't make a channel. Last time you call me or says, Scan on Mojiano, a Dawson. Omoka says Sicano, and your money heading, edgy. Scabia, Maum. I am a force Sicano, and your monomoji. And Maum. To your co-parent to Hosu and could do Humo. According to Pant from Sicano, because first na AMA for giskana every year be among nema am to my boots near that day among some groups I share and sa among nema and come there then am I but if you not to canon call AMA into Sanimani na you free AMA who be the CR the can be putting a code DA
so
minima
so nana what mama information meaning say we kura no report a capture sakane no nanka AMA for wo mo so masene kakra gloves ne Wellington boot ne sane mane mai nanka wo mo de so masene enso mai sane mane nyina wo mo nya bio
David because it's canon ko mo ho on better timaye o mo ntimi ye
so I'm just coming come ho enti o mesi da na o mato sane mane ma
sana tie tisi ya report is canon ko de me kase minima na me boa endi minim
madwuma challenges ben ene wom
but I was side benza
ewo adwuma no se wasori anapa watu kai na wabu asimu ebia wakwa obi anfrɛ wo na wom bia wanya baabi wakwakotwe ba ko bi baabi akwakwohwe aguo ebi kwampa udu honom no wanya baabi anhwe angu these challenges ebi wo hosa nana
the chance bi wo ha is a first no say na ifiegu ai avita her be si anya me adum zoom na yon ama ye prisa isi ifiegu na wa say bi wo I say different places is here then ifiegu ho nti okutu ko so ye wa adwuma na sometimes yana traffic no na ma ye bremo ene ma ye bremo but see how they to me no dey yes challenges na ko from chain first no
aduma mo I am regular medical checkups
impatient derby
monye
derby
adentia
but first in the na AMA for your mind but see how they yes anyone be be our personal idea wa be talk checkup but say bia mfa say bia AMA na fato no ho say on be shade na mai and I say bia bibi derby is bia wa personal you know wa check up na ko check it every month and 2 months and 3 months wa ko check up
na nanti bribi enwuramu mu enkom mu
aja oben de ntama aja eso bibi nya enti eni ayi bia na ko check up akore say bia problem bia anko so your body mu na say bibia
mo as an association mon kam hommo ano enko AM ho say mpanifo kane na say na tie kane na say ni say na adwuma na yehunu wom enso enyi entesa eba ne san enkoje nkyeremu te say kane registration process ana mo famu niema na mo de so masene ba bia sika no kura ekọ these questions you should be able to ask the authority ana me bwana na
me kai last some time ago expert ema yeshia wo hotel ai ishia baby say the point ye no ebisa mpanyifo no is anya mani nyina adentina say ada say omuntimi nya ada no mo handle over ema ye association for na ye nye no mo so mo guso mo di hu djuma nti ombe hu de ombe ya fa ho mpanyifo ko kan ase obia ne de obeka kiro obia de obeka kiro tini de ya 200 mo nda bet ankosi hwe
entumaje akiredi
ya je akiredi
yenkɔ ne saa ana
obende
na se mame no ase
musume ndase
Jim FM.
Any a woman. What any a woman. Any a woman. In the report, we found from the stock register that the revenue collector did not account for all the receipt books he collected for use at the disposal site. Kojominchi break your own. Abba Matia Medibesia Juada ye bohobio Juada ye bohobium. But maybe a phone line, you know. Maybe a phone line, you know. 03022165661. 03022165662. Dia akoso wa mayimuni dia ekoso oman yi mu enie and it gets worse.
Jim FM.
Say you're shiny ye. Na ya de ho. Na bayaba, na bayko, na bayaba, na bayko. Dako yeti o man yi mu a. Elete kokoko. Ye be bia pono no. Na abofifita aba. Say o man yi mu nyina nipa ba ko aton amam. Nipa ba ko waton. Bidini Chief Jerry Forson from CJ. Fabɛwɔso, Vitamilk, Franco Trading Enterprise. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. CJ, na boko there.
Nyame adom. Wodi ni me da kasa free.
The friend me wo musumru do ma ben.
O kasa free.
Do ma ben.
Do ma ben, yentie wo. Yentie.
Ami so na juma pa wo ye.
Me da se.
Wa nya video ke se de ma men chia me MP ba ko pe. Ona ma ka ja to Kati East MP. On I CJ. Ajuma eduru bi a. Oh, Ghana ha eduru bi a. No o man mu tra ya. Wait enna njuma bebre omo de man ni aye no to ka because who come contract one year due diligence bia one year bia one year we no what time contract anything yes family and friends no the contract na come ni mia no dey come na down for obi o ho on paper kra no na oma ya tro say ya contract no na so obekọ grounds no ni enye we enya ma we say Eastern Corridor Road ne ewo green book mu si yaye but wo bako ho fa no no ne grade akra egum
me da se yanko yanim. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Abakari.
Nyame adom pacho hwan ye.
We Dr. Mention from Sweden.
Doctor sorry. Hello, good morning. Also, bet me a friend 0302216561 0302216562. Hello, good morning. Hello,
good morning, CJ.
Yes, sir. But I didn't even like free.
I'm doing the certain for Kasafi Osuari.
All right, Seth, you.
Master Cromwell, I asked him, sir, may catch over Osuari, Naboni, Councilman. It's answer. That sewage problem here, Omoyenti. Oh, stretches in India, we are connected to Gotamu. For the Sauba Suana, Mr. Sorry, Casabia, or connected to Gotamu. We are the whole all your life. But ensure him Munaka Kranas and ensure yourself the truck. Oba Osua, I have bomb who call a bond in Yaniba State. I have quarter, every takwadi, not me more takwadi, more tapo here. So, Danny Bus is one for connecting on Sewage in Nato Gotham into we are on the death of Accra, Egusu, and Kofuya Juma, once Yanin Kongo. Your company do a what the concession on the social room, we are no cleaning what Diabon on the song, or prisoners in us, or the one the Prapra, the Tiana on the sister, African on who dead was I don't mind crying.
Jim FM.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. But I'm in the James, because of his Pintex.
Over James Pintex, ain't you?
Yes, sir. Okay, the way company recommended our Kakayo. Shabana Juma will be on the car bar.
Young baby, and
what can Otto buy, I guess, or no, or one kind of car about as you can saw Juma. I buy new shop, but just in John, no, you go to name a photo. Aim for to own. Yeah, who can have a gun and go to quite well. Can I have to Ghana? See, the most Bush and Munkum goes in the Tia.
Young judge did that. Sana Yasha say I bomi. Ya babo manatete. Ya babo. That is the reason why we are here. Yes, sir, then your friend is a calling. Your friend. Yan fan fish from fan madumwa. Won't be yet. Me last caller. Good morning. Sorry.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
About your dinner, I can free.
I'm Mr. Betia.
About your dinner, saying.
Kojo.
Obakojo akwatia yentie we last caller.
Ye ekoso omemu de nye. Ye koso omemu nye kra. Ese yempeni pono. Ehwani e strike wo muso angasa. Mo man no. Pero man e kono. Omu die bo no mu wiki dangasa. Ye solo e yitu ye solo ompeni pono so. Ye solo muso. Masa bati mi nya na mapa serious pa me no nkumo.
Onya me number on.
Mi nya na ma.
Me bato aya ye pon frɛ number ye bio. Now me producers.
Ma first time omu pa wo.
Ye. Any me no kasa wie wa ha gina so. Now me producer ne kasa. Okay, kojo me da say. I am last call entry for frɛfobia ebium. Yanda Vitamilk and a Franco Trading Enterprise ase. Na me aduma tuada. E de Fabɛwɔso bebro. Me the chief Jerry Forson.